Oh my God. Holy shit. 13. What's up, guys? Welcome to the video. Today's video is going to be an amazing one, and I cannot wait. As you've seen in the previous videos, I have installed a brand new Posi rear end with 3.90 gears in my 2015 Dodge Challenger RT. And you saw how I reacted to it just driving it for the first time, which was absolutely unbelievable. Today we are taking it over to the racetrack, and for the first time this season, and for the first time with this car, with a brand new tune, a brand new gear ratio, and a brand new Posi rear end. And I cannot wait. You know, I'm not gonna put any guesses out there because I don't want to get my hopes up too much, but I'm sad to say my hopes are pretty high for this, and I'm hoping to crush my personal best. Personal best right now is like a low 1340, a high 1330, and I'm hoping to crush that with this new setup on the car. If you guys are excited for this video, subscribe to the channel. Hope you've enjoyed the last couple of videos on me with the brand new Posi rear end, but I'll see you guys at the racetrack. I am so excited beyond belief. We'll catch you there. All right, so we're here at the track. I'm just heading down the top end at the moment just to do a couple warm-up laps. I drove the car here about 25 minutes, so it's pretty warm. I just got a few precautions now with the new rear end. I just want to make sure it'll hold, you know, just a small pull before I go up and take it the full quarter mile. So we've got a few good rips in here. I still don't know whether I'm going to try and run it. I'm going to obviously try both ways, but sport mode versus non-sport mode, I still haven't determined whether drag racing with either or is better. So today's obviously just a test and tune day. You pay to test, and you can go up and run as many times as you want. So I'm obviously going to put this thing through the ringer, see what kind of personal best we can get out of it. 1500 on the RPM, and we'll roll into it. It's nice to feel both of the tires spinning instead of just one, or massive wheel hop. The only crappy part is I need new tires as it is, and just roasting the tires like I am is not very good. Which I'm hoping it does. I'm driving just a street tire on the racetrack. On a prep surface, I'm hoping if this thing hooks, I'm definitely gonna see some new records. I definitely have to. It's got to. There's no way. And if this thing dead hooks and I can launch it around 1500, like 1700 RPMs, no problem beating my current record. None. Line up for the first test hit. Huh? Are you ready to pedal? Guys, the cleanup's done. Took way too long. Finally ready to take the first pass. Here's to not spinning. mode, I can maybe be a little higher on the converter, but it hooked. I can't believe it hooked. During the burnout, it was a little sketchy with the wheel hop, but thanks, man.
Yep.
Oh my God! Holy shit! 13.08. Oh my God! Smashed the record. Holy shit. 1.91 to the 60 foot. 13.08. That's almost 3/10 more than I've ever run in this car. And I think it still has a little bit more in it. If I can get that 12-second pass, oh my God. I think we can do it. Oh my God. Okay guys, time shot number 2. This time we're running it out of sport mode. I'm still so impressed with how this thing acted, but I'm gonna try sport mode off this time, see what kind of numbers it runs. Hopefully it hooks again. It should. After the first pass, it should have no problem. I'm hoping I can squeak a 12-second pass out of this. If I'm lucky, I'll get it today. I think if I get on the converter a little higher when I'm staged, I think I might be able to squeak it out. I only need it a hair quicker. I think it's possible. So sport mode, traction control off. Stuff flying around. Horribly.
At Josh House 2015 Dodge Challenger.
That time, for whatever reason, did not go very well.
I'm bent on the 4-door Spirit.
That one definitely wasn't anything to write home about. 60 foot was off. The spinning was terrible. 13.19 in the quarter mile. We'll just write that one off and get us prepared for the next hit. Okay. Pass number 3. Second pass. First pass was fantastic. Second pass, switched it up, took it out of sport mode. And we spun and shook the tires. So I'm gonna put it back in sport mode. Try and lessen on the RPMs a little bit. Maybe back it down to like 1500 instead of 1700. See if we can get it to hook. Maybe hit that 12-second pass. I might try and stay a little higher on the RPMs in sport mode, see what it can do. It's all about testing, and I want to see what the best combination is, whether it be sport mode, no sport mode, whatever it may take.
Well, Mikey, you're not going to put this one down, are you? Jason Halp over the far side, 2015 Dodge Challenger. over to the far side.
Well, it's not looking very good. It started to rain. Hopefully, it's supposed to stop soon, but I don't think it's gonna, and they're gonna probably end up calling it. I was hoping I could get one more pass in. Got 3 good passes. Got 3 good passes in, and I absolutely smashed my personal record. And I'm so unbelievably proud of this car and how far it's come. And I thank you guys so much for watching. This car, just how many simple mods. The rear end is such a simple thing, and I hope you guys are enjoying those previous videos. I was not expecting it at all whatsoever to run as fast as it did, and hopefully, if we're lucky soon, we'll get a 12-second pass. 13.08. Just to put it in perspective, before that I was in like the high 1330s, low 1340s. It is unreal, and I thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more content on the Dodge Challenger and the rear end. Hope you guys are enjoying it. Subscribe if you're new, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one. You guys have a nice day, and we'll see you later.